This is an introduction to your Philips Respironics EverFlo oxygen concentrator. The EverFlo concentrator is a reliable and durable concentrator with a compact design that will stay out of your way. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with your concentrator and introduce you to some of its most important features. First, let's take a quick tour of the important parts of your concentrator. The control panel can be found on the top left of the device. It consists of the on-off switch, as well as lights that indicate the device is operating properly. To the right of the control panel, you will find the flow meter. This is where to adjust the flow rate to your prescribed setting. Next is the oxygen outlet port. This is where you can connect the cannula or an optional humidifier. Make sure the device is in a location that allows the concentrator to draw in room air without being restricted. It should be at least 6 inches away from walls, furniture, and especially curtains. Do not place the device near any heat source. Now, plug the device into an electrical outlet. If you are using a humidifier, follow along with these steps as shown. Open the filter door on the back of the device. Remove the humidifier connector tube from the back of the filter door and replace the filter door. Fill the humidifier bottle and mount it on the top of the device inside the Velcro strap. Tighten the strap around the bottle and secure it so it is held firmly in place. Connect the humidifier connector tube to the oxygen outlet port. Connect the other end of the humidifier connector tube to the top of the humidifier, with the elbow in the tubing facing the front. Finally, connect the cannula to the humidifier bottle. If you are not using a humidifier, simply connect the nasal cannula to the oxygen outlet port, as shown here. Now, let's press the power switch to the on position. At first, all of the LED lights on the control panel will light up, and you'll hear an audible alert that will beep for a few seconds. Only the green LED light should remain lit. After turning on the EverFlo, you can begin breathing from the device immediately. However, allow at least 10 minutes for oxygen delivery to reach the prescribed level. You can adjust the flow to the prescribed setting by turning the knob on top of the flow meter until the ball is centered on the line marking the specific flow rate. Be sure oxygen is flowing through the cannula. If it is not, refer to the troubleshooting guide in your user manual. Cleaning your device regularly is very important. The exterior of the device should be cleaned weekly. To clean, turn the device off and disconnect from the power source. Clean the exterior, including the filter door, using a damp cloth with a mild household cleaner and wipe it dry. For the humidifier, cannula, and tubing, follow the instructions by the manufacturer and your equipment provider. We hope this video was helpful for getting you comfortable using the EverFlo concentrator. Please always consult the user manual for detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips, or contact your equipment provider for help.